Wow, Ashley.
And bites. Wow.
Wow, pretty, Ashley. That one too? Pretty. You like your headbands? Oh, wow.
Bites.
Then? More? You want another one?
How about the red one? Oh, wow, that's nice, Ash.
Blue.
Oh, yeah, the brown one with the bow. Careful.
How about the red one? The red one's easier. Here you go.
I do.
Wow, and purple?
You say purple?
Purple.
Yeah.
Good. Oh, wow, Ashley. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 so far.
This one too? That's a small one, okay? Careful. Okay, what about the blue one?
You like blue?
Brown?
The brown one? Boy. Almost. Why don't you try a different one, Ash? Whoops.
I do blue.
Yeah.
I blue.
Yeah, the
yes,
blue one.
blue.
I white.
What? Gray? There's no gray.
I green.
There's no gray.
I red.
The blue? What color is that?
Red.
Blue?
Blue.
Oh, what color is this?
Blue.
Pink? What color is that?
White.
You gonna put the top back on?
Okay, done?
Oh.
Oh, oh wow, pretty. Show Grandpa. Say hi, Grandpa. Hi, Papa.
Say hi, Grandpa.
Say hi, Papa.
Ah, Papa.
Hi, Aunoy.
I know.
Done? Wow, you took them all off at the same time.
Ashley, say bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.